Welcome. Now I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your iPhone 16e using DFU mode and Windows operation system. So firstly, you should connect your smartphone to your computer using USB cable. On your computer, download Apple Devices application. This is the original Apple app. Then press volume up, volume down, press and hold power button. When picture disappears, press and hold volume down button for 5 seconds, then release power button. 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the power button. Wait a while and cool. Now we are in DFU mode. Click OK, click Restore iPhone, restore and update. This update provides important bug fixes. OK, click Next. We can't just bypass this step. So click Agree. Agree with everything and wait several minutes. Download the iPhone software update. Cool, and please do not interact with your smartphone, do not press any buttons or never detach your USB cable from your iPhone during this process. It will automatically download software, extract software and flash your device. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, hope this video was helpful for you. And bye. See you.